Hello guys, welcome back to my video. I hope you all are doing great in your life. So guys, I have made this video specially tuba büyüküstün fans. And if you are also a fan of this beautiful actress, then please watch my video till the end. Because in this video, I am going to explain audience viewpoint on tuba and Murat Boz on the screen. And in today's video, I will explain you that what fans think about tuba büyüküstün and Murat Boz duo. And I am pretty sure that this video is going to be very interesting and beneficial for you. But first of all, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get every updates and news about Turkish series and celebrities. Last month, her Netflix project has released and project is super hit in many countries and audience are appreciating tuba büyüküstün and her colleague actors. And after getting huge success, project team is now thinking to create second season of this series. Guys, I analyzed many reviews and read some reports on this project. And I mostly analyzed Tuba's fans reviews and Tuba's fans said no doubt tuba acting with Murat Boz is very excellent. And acting of Murat Boz and tuba büyüküstün deserve even more huge appreciation. Because they both are near to perfection. But again they said no one can replace tuba büyüküstün and engin akyürek duo. Because duo of tuba and engin is unmatchable. Even Murat Boz cannot replace engin akyürek. Acting of Murat Boz with tuba büyüküstün is excellent. But acting of engin and tuba is divine and unmatchable.